Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of the carnivore diet and how to get started. Whether you're curious about this way of eating or you're ready to give it a try, this video is your ultimate guide. So, let's get started. First things first, what exactly is the carnivore diet? Well, it's a dietary approach that focuses on consuming animal-based foods exclusively. That means you'll be saying goodbye to fruits, vegetables, grains, and even most dairy products. It's all about indulging in the goodness of animal products. The carnivore diet is often adopted by those who believe in the potential health benefits of an all-meat diet. Advocates claim that carnivore diet can help with weight loss, improve mental clarity, reduce inflammation, and more. However, it's essential to note that the scientific community has mixed opinions on its long-term effects, so proceed with caution. Now, let's talk about how to get started on the carnivore diet. Carnivore diet research and consult. First, do your homework. Read up on the diet, and if possible, consult with a healthcare professional or nutritionist to ensure it's right for you. Carnivore diet. Clean out your pantry. Rid your kitchen of non-carnivore foods to eliminate temptations. Carnivore diet. Choose quality meats. Opt for high-quality, grass-fed, and pasture-raised meats whenever possible. Carnivore diet variety is key. Diversify your animal protein sources to get a range of nutrients. Think beef, poultry, fish, and even organ meats. Stay hydrated. Drink water regularly to stay hydrated and consider adding electrolytes to your diet, as some carnivores recommend. Wondering what to eat on the carnivore diet? Here are some meal ideas to get you started. Steak and eggs, a classic carnivore breakfast. Salmon and butter, a delicious and nutritious option. Chicken thighs, crispy skin and tender meat, what's not to love? Ground beef, versatile and easy to cook with. Liver pate, don't forget the nutrient-packed organ meats. By the way, starting any new diet can be challenging. On the carnivore diet, you might face cravings, especially for non-carnivore foods. Social situations, explaining your dietary choices to friends and family. Nutrient concerns, ensuring you get all the essential nutrients. Adaptation period, your body might need time to adjust. Remember, the carnivore diet can be an intriguing dietary experiment, but it's essential to approach it with caution. Always listen to your body, monitor your health, and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns. That's a wrap on our guide to the carnivore diet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more informative content. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with the carnivore diet, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy carnivoring!